Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to change the WordPress admin password. So to change the password, log in into your WordPress dashboard. Now go to the users and click on your profile. Or you can also go to the your profile here and click on edit my profile. Both the link will open the same page. Now scroll down to the bottom and click generate new password. It will automatically generate a password. If you want to use this, then click update profile. If you want to use your own password, then type in your password. Remember to use a strong password. Then click update profile. Now the password of your account is changed. Now you can log out from your account and you can try the new password. As you can see, new password is working perfectly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.